Hi guys, and today I'm going to be doing a video with Ella.
Hi!
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to be doing a lyric prank because the last time I did this was really cringy. And it was really short too, I think.
And I could be going around her, so expect lots of MSP videos.
Yes, and we're sharing accounts now, and she's on my account and I'm on her account. Or both of us now. So, yeah. Right, I'm gonna go to the mall. I'm on hide though, so you can join me if that's okay. Alright.
I'm gonna do lyric pranks on other people as well.
Yeah, we're gonna be using the derp song for this. And that's the only song we're gonna be using.
Oh, really?
Mostly because I can't be bothered to just come up with another song. You know how I am, lazy. Okay, what is this?
Oh, I got a song.
What?
It's by Ariana Grande.
Oh yes, one of her songs. Right, I feel like
It's one of my favourite songs from her.
This girl here looks... Ben?
Okay.
Called
so
Ben.
The first lyric
It's gonna be derp song. Yeah.
Aww.
Come
I'm
on.
gonna do this song.
Okay, right. Derp. 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 Stop. Derp. 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 P. Derp. Derpity. Derp. 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 Derpity. Derpity. Derp. Derp.
Right, I'm gonna message Sade.
Derp. Okay, now let's see what... Is she gonna react or something? Okay. Right, now I'm gonna put it in caps because honestly, she's not replying to anything right about now. Derp. Derp. Party.
$1,000
Oh god, that's so loud. Oh god, that's scary. Derp. Derp patty. Derp. 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 Okay, she's not replying.
For you.
Hello, fellow humans. I'm gonna just do it in chat then because literally no one. This chat's so dead. So.
Oh my gosh, she said Ella my what?
Derp. 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 Patty. Derp. Derp. Duh. Derp.
She's like, what dollars? Give me now.
Derp. Derp patty. Derp. 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 Derp patty. Derp. 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 Okay, literally no one cares. Why is she blushing?
I got Anna on.
Okay, now. Alright, I'm gonna text this girl here. What's her name? Haley. Okay, I couldn't really read that for a second. She's on top. She friended me too. Oh wow, I'm on hide, girl. Sorry. Can't tell these things. Okay. Okay. So yeah. Hello? Hello? No, I'm talking to the computer. Wait, I'll be right back because this is really laggy. Lag stopped now. Derp. Right now, let's do this thing. Derp. Or it just carries on. No, derp. No, derp. No, derp. 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 Atty. Derp. Derp. Duh. No, duh. Derp. Derp. Derp, Betty, derp, 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 derp.
It's so confusing.
This girl's just like derp. Derp, Betty, derp, derp, derp. 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 Okay. I think she knows the song. Cause she's just like, derpity, what the heck? Okay, bye. Okay, bye. Oh, wait, bye.
Strawberry lingerie.
Strawberry licorice.
Strawberry.
Licorice.
Strawberry.
Femme girl. This is her name from now because she has femme hair, and I'm just gonna call her Femme girl. You know, because why not? People call each other femme girls or femme girls because she has femme hair. When they have femme hair, people call girls femme. Licorice. I don't like licorice.
Strawberry lingerie.
Okay, now let's do this thing. Derp. So we got one person to. Hello? Keyboard. Yeah, my keyboard is laggy. Sorry. Derp. 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 Ah. No. Derp. Atty. Derp. 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 Ready. Derp. 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 Derpity derp. Pa. Derp. 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 Pa. T. Pat. Pay. Patty. Derp. Okay, she's femme girl. Derp. Derpity derp. 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 Okay, literally, this girl's not any time soon. Hi, Nicki Minaj. I don't get how you like licorice, but yeah. Okay. I literally need video ideas though. We need video ideas, so please do suggest some in the comments.
I'm gonna do everything I said I'm gonna do.
Pikachu! Pikachu! Pikachu. Okay, right. Pikachu. Milk Peach. Yeah, but you're a Pikachu, so why are you calling yourself that when you're a literate Pikachu? Even though I hate Pikachu because I don't like Pokemon. Sorry, Pokemon fans. Please do not. Okay, now she replies. Okay, now she's just like derpity. Okay, whatever. Maybe if I go for a duck walked up to duck.
She's not replying.
A duck. A duck. Duke. With an E. Well, without me. A duck. A duck walk up to the lemonade. A duck walked up to the lemonade stand. Okay. Right. A duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said,
no, she knows stuff.
Yeah, too many people know that. A duck walked up to the lemonade stand and he said to the ad. Oh my god, this is how bad my keyboard is. And he said, running the stand. What the hell? Running. Running. The stand. And he said to the man, no, the man. Do you want to turn that down? Just a question. Do you want to turn it down?
Sorry.
It is really loud.
But I need to listen
And he
to
said,
it. Yo.
This was an epic failed thing because
No, this wasn't an epic fail.
for me it was because Pikachu's not replying to me right now. And that's funny because my old account, Unlock355, has an Ariana Grande outfit.
He got that Kiki live.
Seriously, I think this is just gonna be a really cringy video or something because right now.
He got that Kiki live.
I think right now I can't do anything. Okay, I think I'm gonna end it here. So I'll see you later. Bye.